Hello, my name is Johan from Restoration Bike, and in this video I'm going to explain to you my process of bicycle cleaning and maintenance. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. You know, the best thing of not having to do bicycle cleaning is just not riding into wet conditions. I bought this bike new, so I really wanted to ride it and chose to do it, as you can see by the street. And when I do so, I use WD-40 bike cleaner and spray it onto everything, and that loosens the grit and dirt. And I use a hose to basically clean the frame. I'm very wary of using a hose, as to I definitely don't want water to seep into any place where bearings are located, like the hubs and the bottom bracket. And then I kind of dry the frame with a towel. I don't scrub it because you can rub sand into the frame and leave tiny scratches. I'm very wary of that because you really quickly lose the luster of the frame. I use a brush to get rid of the sand on bicycle components. I don't use the brush on the frame, and do use wet towels or baby wipes to do the last type of cleaning. Again, very wary of rubbing sand into the frame. Also, the rims get cleaned, especially because this bicycle has rim brakes, V-brakes. So the rims need to be cleaned to increase the effectiveness of the brake pads and the lifespan of the rims, and to prevent squealing of the brake pads on the rims. I'm pretty thorough when it comes to bicycle cleaning, so I also clean, for instance, the hub. It doesn't do anything in terms of performance or anything, but I like my bike to look the best. I really enjoy a really clean bike. And just of lately, I started using paper towels to remove the spots that are left behind on the frame when the water dries. At least it gets the best effect without damaging the frame in any way. Usually when you ride in wet conditions, you do have to clean the chain as well. There wasn't any chain loop left, or very little, and I used this chain scrubbing tool and white spirit to clean the chain. I reuse the white spirit every time I use it. Just pour it back into the bottle. When I do a very, very thorough bicycle cleaning, I actually remove the cassette from the rear wheel and remove the crankset altogether, and also clean them with white spirit. I didn't do that this time because they looked clean enough. And this is sewing machine oil. It's sort of like a wet lube, and I apply it pretty much on every chain. Every time I clean the chain, and I remove the excess fluid from the outside, it won't do anything good. Sewing machine oil has the advantage that it seeps in between the rollers, and then this at the end, this is the end result. Very nice looking bike, which is very clean and rides the way I want it to. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.